I used to be a garage bird. Now I'm a YouTube star. I used to be a garage bird. I used to live in the garage with the rodents. The dusty bugs. Ooh, I'm crazy wacky bird. Me in the garage. Oh, nobody wanted me. But now I'm somebody. I'm somebody. I'm somebody, not just a garage bird. Yep. 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 Not a garage anymore. Oh, here I go.
Just kidding.
Oh, gonna pester this dog. Where's my stones? Where's my stones? There she is. Where's Stony Bloney? Hey, dog. What's your name? Wanna be my friend? I need a friend. I need a friend. I need one of these. One friend. One friend to be my friend. My only friend. Uh-oh, this cat's got a tag. Uh-oh, somebody's got to take it off. Uh-oh, someone's buying. Uh-oh, somebody has an addiction in this house. Somebody. Oh, I know what it is. Stones. Stones got addiction. I want a unicorn. I want a unicorn cake. Unicorn cake. Unicorn cake. Unicorn. I want a unicorn. Unicorn, 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 unicorn. Yep. Here I go. Here I go. I'm messing with this dog. I'm messing with this dog. I'm a fighter. Come on, dog. Let's fight. Let's fight. I'm really. You're my garage dog. You could be the garage dog. And I could be the sit in your spot. I'm going to your spot. You see him. I'm sleeping here tonight. I'm sleeping here tonight. I'm going to sleep. Oh, dog out. Me in. Yep, yep, yep. Me in, me in. Nothing you can do about it. Want to fight me, little dog? You want to fight me? So I'm willing to fight. I'm willing to fight you. Matter what, matter what. There I go. Ah! Got you. Got you, 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 got you. I'm funky, dog. I'm being your friend. I'm being your only friend. Only friend to the end. Oh, you know what? I forgot to go to work. I'm in trouble. Yep, I'm in big trouble, dog. Big trouble. I'm sitting here waiting for stones. Waiting for that little stone to come. That stone unicorn. Yep, I seen her eyes. I seen her eyes. She can cry. She gonna cry really bad. Really bad. Oh, now I'm a star. I'm not a garage puppet. Not a garage puppet anymore. Not anymore. I don't care what anybody says, but I'm not a garage puppet. Yep. 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 Yeah.